hump day again, love bugs. It's your girl Key, and I am back with a cook with me video. So tonight I am finally going to saute my zucchini. I'm so excited. And to go with my zucchini, I'm just doing a side of the Mahatma seasoned long grain wild rice mix. So I got that on boiling right now, cooking. And then, y'all, I'm going to show y'all an easy vegetarian meal that is so good without the meat. Y'all crazy. I love some meat, but let me show y'all these because this is so good, and this is what the kids are going to eat tonight. These bird's eye oven roasters. We got the broccoli and cauliflower and the potato wedges with onions. Y'all, I am so here for this. They are so good. They are already seasoned, and they take about 25 minutes or less to bake in the oven on 400. Easy peasy. So what I have done is I just spread the veggies out on a cookie sheet, lined it with some aluminum foil, and I am going to stick it in the oven. Alright, so I know y'all can't see me, but I have 4 of these, 4 zucchinis, and I'm just prepping them. I am cutting the skin off because I don't want skin. I just want the vegetable. So I'm just cutting the ends off and then cutting the skin. Now, if you want skin on yours, by all means, because I know, like, at some restaurants or whatever, when they cook their zucchini, it does still have the skin on it. Even, I noticed, like, even in soups and stuff, maybe there's something nutritious about the skin. I don't know. Maybe there's some nutrients in there, but I don't want that. So I am skinning this thing like a cucumber. Ooh, that would be good. Some cukes with some, cut up with some tomatoes and some salt, pepper, and apple cider vinegar. Ooh wee. Y'all know that's all a pickle is cucumbers soaked in vinegar. Anyways, so I am going to cut said zucchini. So I'm going to slice them up. I'm going to rinse them off or wash them again and season them. And then we are going to put them in the cast iron skillet. Love bug, so it's about that time. I usually use olive oil when I'm sauteing my veggies, but I'm going to use a half a stick of butter this time. So I'm just letting the butter melt in the cast iron skillet. Y'all see that? This is so not healthy, but it's gonna be so good. And y'all, actually, this is gonna be my first time sauteing my own zucchini. So I'm excited, and I already know it's gonna be good because everything I cook is amazing. So, yeah, letting that butter melt. I got to get my seasonings together. I think I'm going to just do my garlic, pepper seasoning, and garlic and herbs. I might do a little bit of I got some Lowry's over there, so we'll see. Alright, so the zucchini is seasoned. The butter is melted. And we're going to just dump. Y'all hear that? Just stir those around in there. I do want them done. I don't want them crunchy per se. I want them done, but I'm going to make sure that I keep stirring and mixing. Be hush until they are the consistency that I want them. And I will show y'all how they turn out. Alright, love. So here we go. I have plated it. I have my sauteed zucchini, and they are so good. And my seasoned wild rice. It's about to go down. Bon appetit.